Written by Emily Nagoski, masturbation is the act of stimulating one's own genitals for sexual pleasure. It's a common and natural human behavior experienced by people of all genders and sexual orientations. Throughout history, masturbation has been viewed through various cultural, religious, and scientific lenses, often shrouded in misinformation and stigma. This essay aims to provide a comprehensive and balanced understanding of masturbation, exploring its potential benefits and drawbacks based on scientific evidence. It's important to remember that everyone's relationship with their body and sexuality is unique. What is considered normal or healthy can vary greatly from person to person. Open communication with healthcare providers and trusted sources of information is key to navigating any concerns or questions you may have about masturbation and its role in your life. For centuries, myths and misconceptions about masturbation have persisted. These myths can lead to unnecessary shame and anxiety. Let's debunk some common myths using scientific evidence. One myth claims masturbation causes blindness or insanity. There is no scientific basis for these claims. Another myth suggests it's harmful to physical health. Research shows no negative impact on physical health. Masturbation is normal, regardless of relationship status. It can help explore one's body and enhance intimacy. Always consult credible sources for sexual health information. Masturbation, like any form of sexual activity, involves a complex interplay of physiological and psychological processes. Understanding these processes can help us appreciate the potential benefits and drawbacks of masturbation. When we engage in sexual stimulation, including masturbation, the brain releases a cascade of neurochemicals, including dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. Dopamine is associated with pleasure and reward, contributing to the pleasurable feelings experienced during masturbation. Oxytocin, often referred to as the cuddle hormone, promotes feelings of bonding and relaxation. Endorphins act as natural painkillers and mood elevators, potentially explaining the sense of calm and well-being often reported after masturbation. Physically, masturbation leads to increased blood flow to the genitals, muscle tension, and eventual sexual release, which can be experienced as orgasm. While the science behind masturbation is complex, it's clear that this natural human behavior has tangible effects on both the brain and body. By understanding these effects, we can begin to appreciate the potential benefits and drawbacks of incorporating masturbation into our lives in a healthy and informed way. Masturbation, often considered a taboo topic, offers a surprising range of potential benefits for both physical and mental well-being. These benefits stem from the physiological and psychological responses triggered during sexual stimulation and orgasm. One significant benefit is stress relief. The release of endorphins during masturbation can have a calming effect on the mind and body, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. This can be particularly helpful for individuals dealing with demanding lifestyles or challenging situations. Another advantage is improved sleep quality. Masturbation before bed can promote relaxation and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This is because orgasm triggers the release of hormones like prolactin, which induces feelings of drowsiness and contentment. Furthermore, masturbation can be a valuable tool for self-exploration and understanding one's own body and sexual responses. By exploring different types of touch and stimulation, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of what brings them pleasure. This self-awareness can enhance sexual experiences with a partner as well. Stress relief and sleep enhancement. How masturbation can improve well-being. Masturbation offers a natural way to combat stress and improve sleep quality. Endorphins released during orgasm reduce anxiety and tension. It also promotes better sleep by releasing prolactin and oxytocin. Incorporating it into your routine can enhance well-being. Self-discovery and sexual health benefits in intimacy and beyond. Masturbation plays a crucial role in self-discovery and fostering a healthy relationship with one's own sexuality. Through self-exploration, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of their bodies, preferences, and responses to sexual stimulation. This self-awareness can be incredibly empowering, allowing individuals to communicate their needs and desires more effectively with partners. By understanding what brings them pleasure, individuals can guide their partners towards more fulfilling and satisfying sexual experiences. Moreover, masturbation can have positive implications for sexual health. Regular ejaculation, whether through intercourse or masturbation, can help reduce the risk of prostate cancer in men. For women, masturbation can strengthen pelvic floor muscles, potentially improving bladder control and sexual function. It's important to note that while masturbation offers numerous benefits, it should not be seen as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have concerns about your sexual health or well-being, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and support. Potential downsides. When masturbation poses challenges. While masturbation is generally considered a healthy and natural activity, there are potential downsides to be aware of. As with any behavior, moderation and mindfulness are key. One potential drawback is the risk of developing compulsive behavior. If masturbation becomes an obsession that interferes with daily life, relationships, or responsibilities, it's important to seek professional help. Compulsive sexual behavior can be a sign of underlying mental health issues that require attention. Another concern is the possibility of desensitization, where frequent masturbation with intense stimulation might make it difficult to achieve orgasm through other means, such as intercourse with a partner. This can be addressed by varying stimulation techniques and incorporating mindfulness practices during masturbation. Additionally, some individuals may experience physical discomfort, such as genital soreness or irritation, from excessive masturbation. If this occurs, it's important to reduce the frequency and intensity of stimulation and allow the body to rest and heal. Compulsive behavior and relationship issues. Navigating potential risks. While masturbation is generally a healthy and normal part of human sexuality, it's essential to be aware of potential risks associated with excessive or compulsive behavior. Compulsive sexual behavior, including excessive masturbation, can become problematic when it begins to interfere with daily life, relationships, work, or overall well-being. Individuals struggling with compulsive sexual behavior may find themselves preoccupied with sexual thoughts, urges, or behaviors, often to the detriment of other aspects of their lives. Another potential risk is the strain that excessive masturbation can place on romantic relationships. If one partner feels neglected or if masturbation becomes a substitute for intimacy, it can create distance and resentment. Open communication and a willingness to address concerns together are crucial for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. If you find yourself struggling with compulsive sexual behavior or experiencing relationship challenges related to masturbation, seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor specializing in sexual health can provide valuable support and guidance. Finding balance, moderation, and mindfulness in sexual expression. Finding a healthy balance is key when it comes to masturbation. Excessive behavior can lead to challenges. Cultivating moderation and mindfulness helps navigate complexities. Be attuned to your body's cues. Reevaluate if it affects important activities. Mindfulness means awareness without judgment. Mindful masturbation increases self-awareness and control. Conclusion. Embracing a healthy perspective on masturbation. Masturbation is a natural and common human behavior with a wide range of potential benefits and drawbacks. Understanding the science behind masturbation, dispelling harmful myths, and embracing a balanced perspective are essential for fostering a healthy relationship with our bodies and sexuality. While masturbation can offer numerous advantages, such as stress relief, improved sleep, and enhanced self-awareness, it's crucial to be mindful of potential risks, such as compulsive behavior and relationship challenges. Moderation, open communication, and seeking professional support when needed are key to navigating these complexities. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to masturbate, and how often, is a personal one. By approaching this aspect of our sexuality with knowledge, self-compassion, and a commitment to open dialogue, we can embrace a more holistic and fulfilling understanding of sexual well-being. Seeking help and support, resources for sexual health and well-being. If you have concerns about masturbation, compulsive sexual behavior, or any other aspect of your sexual health, remember that you are not alone. There are numerous resources available to provide support, guidance, and accurate information. Your primary care physician, your doctor can address basic questions about sexual health, provide referrals to specialists, and offer guidance on managing any concerns. Therapists and counselors specializing in sexual health. These professionals can help individuals address compulsive behaviors, navigate relationship challenges related to sexuality, and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Reputable sexual health organizations like Planned Parenthood, Scarlet Teen, and the American Sexual Health Association offer a wealth of information, resources, and support services related to sexual health and well-being. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a commitment to your well-being. Don't hesitate to reach out to trusted resources for the support and guidance you deserve.